Statement issued by generals and former senior civil servants of the Republic of Zimbabwe. RE Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Our position and the call to action. Sarapina Mash Komdani Kopangwa in order to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Momdani Komchizi. In March 2026, we state without equivocation that the SID processes was choreographed, imposed upon the people, and its outcomes do not in any matter reflect the genuine will of the people of Zimbabwe. Pursuant to our communication to Parliament, 2 formal meetings with His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe held on 18 and 19 of May 2026 respectively. Regrettably, the 2 meetings failed to produce any result. When we placed before the President our caution regards the dangers of the constitutional amendment, chief among them the alienation of the citizenry from constitutional order and eventually alienation of our membership in ZANU-PF. His response was, in his own words, whoever wins, wins. That response speaks for itself. It lays bare the contempt with which the constitutional concerns of citizens and members of our party are regarded at the highest level of the executive authority. What became unambiguously clear from those engagements is that the welfare of the party and the well-being of the people are no longer the primary consideration driving this process. It is therefore clear that the President is both the principal architect and the principal beneficiary of CAP 3. He exercises complete control over the current CAP 3 legislative process, and it is our considered view that the financial benevolence of Mr. Kutya is materially sustained that process, whom we have discerned to be laboring under the impression that he is the secondary beneficiary of the intended amendments on our constitution, though the first part inobuda nyongwa pangwa inena na general jena. In the comment section menus of fungre any more kudipa mzero pichitko each. As you are now going to the part 2 of this letter, do subscribe or like out on the bell icon.